The majority rules. This is something every child knows since he or she was 3. We have a fight over something, the decision of the majority would determine what would happen. Any argument, the majority would rule. When we grow up, we find it a core principle of democracy. This is how we elect our legislators. This is how decisions happen in Supreme Court. The majority rules. Living like that in the democratic setting make us often feel like that if everybody thinks like that, they might be right. They are probably right. Well, we all know the popular term, wisdom of the crowd. If they all together decided that, they probably know what they talk about, we may think. But here comes the Torah and tells us, democracy and the majority rule is good up to a certain point. Parashat Mishpatim tells us a very important rule. You shall not follow the majority for the bad and evil. If the decisions and actions are bad, use your common sense. If it's bad, don't assume that just because they are the majority, they are right. And don't accept what they did just because democracy is based on the majority rule. Let's not forget that the Nazi Party was elected by the majority rule, and Hamas took Gaza by democratic elections. Here lay the limits of democracy, tells us the Torah that was given to us about 3,300 years ago. Prevent the tyranny of the majority. Don't follow the majority just because they are the majority. And if you would like, you have the whole democracy rule encapsulated in one verse, because the end of the verse says, you should follow the majority. But in order to know how to do things, we first have to know what not to do. And this is why the Torah starts with this warning. The majority only rules for the good.